We build. It's our core purpose. From our agriculture and real estate roots to private capital, modular construction and manufacturing. We are entrepreneurs constantly pushing boundaries and envisioning what's next. Our mission is clear: turn complex challenges into clear-cut solutions. And arm entrepreneurs with the tools to make their visions come alive. Our dedication stretches beyond just building. We're cultivating strong communities and fueling dreams. It's understanding that as we create value for others, we create value for ourselves. At Lange, building is our business.